In this video, I will show you how to remove card from Apple Wallet. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on my iPhone. So what I'm going to do first is open up our wallet, just like so. And to remove the card, all you need to do is find the card that you want to remove. So you can do this for both gift cards and debit and credit cards. If you want to remove a gift card, just simply press onto the gift card that you want to remove. And once you've done that, you want to come up to the top right hand corner, press onto the three dots. And from this menu that comes up, you're going to see an option here which says remove pass. So if we give this a press, you're going to get a confirmation saying, are you sure you want to remove this pass? Just simply go ahead and press onto remove. And what it's going to do is remove this from your Apple Wallet. Now, if you want to do this for a credit or debit card, then what you want to do is locate the debit or credit card that you want to remove. So let's take my Monzo card, for example. What we're going to do is give that a press. Again, what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner and click onto the three dots. But this time the menu is going to be slightly different. So what you actually need to do now is press onto card details. And once you've done that, all you need to do is scroll down to the bottom of the screen and you're going to see the option to remove card from there. So just go ahead, give that a press. Again, you're going to get a confirmation. Simply press the red remove button. And just like so, that's going to remove that debit or credit card. So that is how to remove cards from Apple Wallet. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.